What's happening, my sisters? It is my update video for week 16, which is milestone number 2. I told y'all every 8 weeks I'm gonna weigh myself and do my updates. So I don't know if it was just my subconscious mind, but I could not find my tape measure to save my life. So I don't know, maybe I hid it from myself. I don't know. However, I am happy to report that I am down now 30 pounds. I am at 302, and I remember I told y'all back before that I used the lower number of the 2 numbers my scale was giving me, which I'm a fess up, and I think I did before, but just so y'all know. And I did get the batteries for the thing, so it's still tripping, but it's getting there. And so now basically I've lost 30 pounds in 16 weeks, so that's pretty damn good. I think I'm happy. And as long the fact that I'm just taking this thing so slow and being able to just really change my habits, this is going to be some weight that's going to stay off because I really changed my habits to go along with it. And basically I'm going to really work in these next 8 weeks because I had gotten a little lazy, and that's why I posted a video on motivation where I was not exercising as much as I was. So I am making it a point to exercise 5 to 6 days a week. So far so good. This week I got my bands to do, and I think I told y'all before, Monday, Wednesday, Friday I do cardio, or I really do my seated Zumba, or my other new video I put in the workout area that's seated silver sneakers. It's made for older folks that can't get up, that's sitting in a chair, which mine is just my back and my legs are not as strong as they used to be. So I'm doing that to get started, but it's a lot of leg exercises, arm exercise. It's really an all over body workout. And trust me, don't write it off because you think, oh, you sitting down, oh, that's a piece of cake. Trust me, do it and see what happens. So I am doing that. I'm doing my Zumba. I'm doing for my weight days, which are Tuesdays and Thursdays, I have exercise bands that I use on my legs, and then I have resistance bands so I can do more weight stuff with my arms, back, all that. So basically I'm still getting the overall. Sometimes I'll on a Tuesday I'll do all leg exercises, and Thursday I'll do all upper body and arm exercises, because you really don't want to do both in the same session, because you know you can kind of burn out on that. And so especially being a beginner and just getting really into this, I would suggest switching off. And then when you get to that point, then the fact that you're doing the weights every other day, if you wanted to go full body and do it, then do that. But you need to give yourself some time to recuperate, so you can get ready. And then I'm telling you, doing that back to back with all the cardio stuff, trust me. And also cardio stuff I do is walking, like walking in place or doing stuff side to side, so you can get the same workout as if you were walking outside or wherever. And because I don't anymore, because of the pandemic or plandemic or whatever you want to call it. But I'm building that up too, because really, having been sitting for 2 years in this chair working, my back is crap. So I have to really, I'm working on strengthening it, because like I said, even though I have good posture and I sit here, but it's just one part in my lower back that starts to hurt when I start walking, and I already figured out what muscle it is. So I looked up an exercise that helps to strengthen that muscle, and it's kind of, what do they call them, Superman or something, where you lay on your stomach and you lift your arms and your legs at the same time, going back toward each other. So by doing that, that lower part of your back gets kind of pulled out and strengthened. So when you're standing upright, you know, because I got to the point, even standing there washing dishes, I was starting to have some pain. So I just suffer through it, and I'm making myself do this so I can strengthen that muscle and get back to the way I was when I was going to the gym all the time. So that is what I'm doing, but I'm so happy. I just can't tell y'all how happy I am. And I think you can even see it. My some people have said my face looks slimmer. I think so, a little bit. Still got my little chunky little cheeks, but which I've had all my life. Oh, I used to hate when people used to say, "Oh, you're so cute." Oh, they used to get on my nerves. But anyway, I gotta get some more snatch, girl. I gotta get this face skinny now. And so next year, like I said, we gonna be so snatched it ain't even funny. And maybe we can talk about getting together somewhere and really encourage each other. So as I said, thank you guys for your support. I hope all of this is helping you, helping somebody somewhere. And I'm gonna keep coming in looking. I post motivational videos, I'm posting recipes, I'm posting more exercise videos. Anything I come across that I think you guys might be interested in, I'm putting it here. So come in, look around, leave a comment, ask for anything, whatever. We're here for each other, and we're gonna be successful. And I hope some other folks come in with some praise reports on how things are looking for you, and you know, how we can continue to support each other and get this done, because we got work to do, baby. Okay, well, I will see y'all next time. Bye.